In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Replit. Whether you're organizing your code or just bringing some order to your projects, knowing how to effectively manage your files in Replit can be a real game changer. So, let's dive right in and explore this simple yet useful task. First things first, you'll want to open your repo in Replit. If you're already logged into your account, head over to your dashboard and choose the REPL project you want to work with. Click on it, and voila, you'll find yourself in the familiar coding environment. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a sidebar, which is often referred to as the file tree. This is your main control center for navigating and organizing files within your project. Now, cast your eyes towards the top of this file tree. You should be able to spot a small button or an icon that looks like a plus. This is your gateway to adding not just folders, but files too, depending on what you need. When you click on this plus button, a little menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll see both Add File and Add Folder. For our purpose today, we're interested in Add Folder. Go ahead and click on Add Folder. A text box will pop up, inviting you to give your new folder a name. This name is entirely up to you and can be as descriptive as you need it to be, depending on the content you plan to store within. Type in your chosen name and then hit Enter. It's as simple as that. With that last action, you'll see your newly created folder appear right there in the file tree. It may seem like a small addition, but having a clear folder structure can make your coding process a lot more efficient. Now that you have this new folder, you have a couple of options for what to do next. You can either drag existing files and drop them into this folder to move them around, or you can directly create new files within this folder if you're starting fresh. To create new files in your folder, just click on that same trusty plus button once again, select Add File this time, and ensure the file is placed within the confines of your new folder, and that's all there is to it. Creating folders in Replit is a straightforward process that can greatly help with organizing your projects. Keep experimenting with different organizational structures, especially as your projects grow, to see what works best for your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy coding on Replit.